Hello buddies, if you have been having difficulties making your hard-boiled eggs that can peel easily, then this video is for you. So I'll be showing you how you can make hard-boiled eggs that can peel easily. So the first thing you need to do is to make sure that your water is on heat and is boiling already. So once your water starts boiling, you add in some baking soda into the water. Okay, so once you add the baking soda, gradually drop in your eggs. Please don't let this egg crack. Make sure that this egg didn't crack. Make sure you didn't hit the bottom of your pot. Okay, cover this and reduce the heat to medium heat and let it boil for 10 minutes. And after 10 minutes, take it out from the water or from the heat and then transfer into a room temperature water or a cold water. Okay, or you can also run it on it under a tap water. And once that is done, let it cool a little bit for like 2 or 3 minutes, and then you're ready to peel your eggs. And you can see literally how these eggs are going to peel so easily. Okay, they are going to peel so easily, no stress, and they're not going to go off with the egg itself. It's just the shell that is going to peel so easily, as you can see in the video. So when next you want to make hard boiled eggs, either for your any of your egg recipes that require hard boiled eggs, just use this step. Okay, boil the water, add in your baking soda, boil the eggs on medium heat for 10 minutes, put it in a cold water for like 3 to 4 or 5 minutes. Then you go ahead and peel. Then you have this easy, amazing hard boiled eggs. I hope you love this video and I hope this video is helpful. And please, if you do find value in this video, don't forget to follow me, don't forget to like, don't forget to also drop your comment. Thank you.